ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìjọ tí ẹ fẹ́ jára yín ẹjọ́ ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́ ẹ̀yin pastor worshippers ẹ wá gbọ́ iye táwọn pastors yín worth in dollars in million dollars ẹ̀yin tí ẹ kò tí ẹ fẹ́ jára yín tó ṣe pé ẹ kàn ṣáà wò yín láti máa enrich àwọn pastors yín ni ẹ̀yin kò wù ẹ̀yin láti lówó lọ́wọ́ ẹjọ́ ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́ iye táwọn pastors yín tán worth in dollars in million dollars. This is too much. Ní this same country tó ṣe wípé a lot of people rí oúnjẹ jẹ. Ní this same country tó ṣe pé tẹ bá wo inú ìjọ wọn ẹ máa rí àwọn ọmọ ìjọ wọn tán tí poverty ń bá yí. Ní this same country tó ṣe wípé ọ̀pọ̀ nínú àwọn ọmọ ìjọ wọn ò tí ì rí oúnjẹ jẹ. Wọn ì rí oúnjẹ àárọ̀ ọ̀sán alẹ́ jẹ dípò pé wọ́n á tiẹ̀ wá ṣe other things wọ́n á gbé nǹkan rere míì ṣe and they will keep on telling you pay tithe, you must pay tithe. If you don't pay tithe, you will not break heaven. If you don't pay tithe, you will not do this, you will not do that. You will not be successful. Wọ́n máa fún yín different lamba just to enrich their own personal pockets. Ẹ wá gbọ́ net worth 50 most richest pastors ní Africa. The number of Nigerian pastors tó lówó lọ́wọ́ fàyà. Ní this same country tó ṣe wípé ebi ń lu ẹlòmíì pa. Ní this same Nigeria tó ṣe pé ìwòye numbers of àwọn tó ń wá assistance lọ sọ́dọ̀ pastor Àgbàlá Gabriel ìyẹn tí ò lówó lọ́wọ́ tó àwọn other Nigerian pastors yìí gan ó dẹ̀ ń ṣe wọ́n láǹfààní ó ń ṣe wọ́n lóore ẹ wòye àwọn tó ń ràn lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí ò lówó lọ́wọ́ táwọn other Nigerian pastors torúkọ wọn wà lórí list yìí ni ẹ wòye ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó ń ṣe in this same country. Network wọn kì í tún wá ń ṣe in naira, it is in dollars, million dollars. Hey, our Nigerian pastors are rich in million dollars, whereas the Nigerian people don't sanwó tithe fún wọn, they are reading in poverty. Who is doing us? Who are we doing? Ẹ jẹ́ ká listen sí fídíò yìí kẹ́ wá gbọ́ bí àwọn Nigerian pastors yìí ṣe wà bastardly rich. Yìí business tó máa ṣe àwọn èèyàn láǹfààní ẹ̀ ní rí kán dá sílẹ̀. Even their schools are expensive. Too expensive for àwọn ọmọ ìjọ wọn gan láti attend. No company tán fi enrich àwọn èèyàn nothing they are just enriching their own personal pocket àbí from your own sweat from owó tẹ̀yìn tún tiraka láti máa kó lọ sí church àbí let's listen to this video.
Hello. Today we bring you 50 richest pastors in Africa and their net worth. Watch and share. Number 50 is Olivier Chilumba Chikina of DR Congo. He divides his time between Canada, where his church L'Église Nouvelle Vie is based, but also the presidential advisor of a popular church in Kinshasa, Congo. His net worth is $100,000. At number 49, we have Professor Lesego Daniel Unconfirmed from South Africa. He is a controversial preacher who founded the Rabboni Center Ministries in Pretoria with a net worth of $200,000. Moving on to number 48 is Prophet Webert Angel from South Africa also. He is an evangelical preacher and the founder of a Pentecostal ministry called Spirit Embassy. His net worth is $350,000. At number 47 on the list is Bishop Margaret Wanjiru from Kenya. The founder of Jesus is Alive Ministries. Among Nairobi's biggest churches has a net worth of $500,000. Pastor Thomas Wahome from Kenya is number 46 on the list. The founder of Helicopter Ministries has an estimated worth of $650,000. At number 45 is Roland Dallot. He hails from Dr. Congo. He is a pastor of the Center Missionnaire Philadelphie à la Gombe and head of the Church of State with a net worth of $700,000. Counting down to number 44 is Dr. Sean Smith of Cameroon. He is an ordained minister, author, and the apostolic overseer of the Gospel of Christ Ministries with a net worth of $1 million. At number 43 is Reverend Teresia Werimu of Kenya, a woman of God of the Faith Evangelistic Ministries Family Church. She has a net worth of $1 million. Number 42 is Apostle John Chi of Cameroon. He is the lead pastor and founder of the Ark of God Covenant Ministry, with an estimated net worth of $1.2 million. Number 41 on the list is Prophet Badu Kobi from Ghana. He started the Glorious Wave Church International and has a net worth of $1.5 million. At number 40 is Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa from Ghana, founder and lead pastor of Glorious Word Power Ministry. His net worth is $1.7 million. Number 39 on our list is Francis Wale Oke from Nigeria, founder of Christleaf Church, Akab Sword of the Spirit Ministry. His net worth is $2 million.
Pastor Wale Oke, àwọn ni the least richest pastor ní Nigeria according to this documentary, the least. Look at his net worth, $2 million. $2 million. Let's continue.
Occupying our 38th spot is Bishop Daniel Obeneem from Ghana. He started the International God's Way Ministries with a net worth of $2.5 million. Number 37 is Dr. Andre Robert of South Africa. He, alongside his wife Jenny Robert, founded River Ministries International. His net worth is $3 million. Daniel Coyote Olukoya of Nigeria sits at our 36th spot. Founder of Mountain of Fire and Miracles. His net worth is $5 million.
Something of MFM children. Can you see your pastor's worth? $5 million. Convert it to Naira. Eloloje.
Moving on to number 35 on the list is Prophet Ebenezer Adarkwa Yiadom of Ghana. He started the Ebenezer Miracle Worship Center in Kumasi with a net worth of $6 million. At number 34 is Prophet Ferdinand Ikane from Cameroon. He is the founder of the Rima Ministry Mission with headquarters in Yaoundé. His net worth is $8 million. Bishop Allen and Reverend Kathy Kiuna of Kenya occupies our 33rd position, a power couple and preachers of the word. Their joint worth is $10 million. Number 32 is Apostle Kwadwo Safo from Ghana, founder and general overseer Action Faith Ministries. His net worth is $12 million. Counting down to number 31 on the list is Jacques Kangudia Mutambayi of DR Congo. He is the spiritual counselor of the President of Congo with a net worth of $15 million. At number 30 is Reverend Samni Korankye Ankra of Ghana. He is the founder of the Royal House Chapel International with a net worth of $18 million. Occupying our 29th spot is Prophet David Owor, hails from Kenya. He is a man of God who commands respect wherever he goes by his large entourage, with a net worth of $22 million. At number 28 on the list is Bishop Dag Heward Mills from Ghana. The pastor of the Lighthouse Group of Churches has a net worth of $25 million. Number 27 is Bishop Charles Agian Asare of Ghana. Founder of Perez Chapel International, has an estimated net worth of $28 million. Moving on to number 26 is Ejike Mbaka of Nigeria, a Roman Catholic Reverend Father who is known for his firebrand style of preaching. His net worth is $30 million. At
$30 million. $30 million. Father Mbaka, net worth.
Number 25 is the Archbishop of Canterbury, Nicholas Duncan Williams of Ghana. The presiding Archbishop of Action Faith Ministries has a net worth of $35 million. Mensa Otabil of Ghana sits at number 24 on the list. He is the founder of the International Central Gospel Church with a net worth of $36 million. Number 23 is Mike Okonkwo, a Nigerian bishop of the Redeemed Evangelical Mission, TREM. His net worth is $40 million.
TREM, $40 million. Ni pastor yin worth. Elo convert sí naira. How many of you even can afford 3 square meal in a day? Can't also any other thing. Who is enriching these pastors? Let me ask us that question. That's important question. That burning question. That's very critical question. Who is enriching these pastors? Okay, next in line.
At number 22 is Pastor Kumuyi of Nigeria, Deeper Life Bible Church pastor. His net worth is around $45 million.
I want Holy Church. At the end of the day, see your pastor, see his net worth, $45 million. And you Deeper Life, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi convert ẹ̀ sí náírà, ẹ bá mi convert ẹ̀ sí náírà, èló ló jẹ́.
Counting down, number 21 on the list is Brian Houston from South Africa. He is the founder and the senior pastor at Hillsong Church with a net worth of $47 million. At number 20 is Pastor Lazarus Moka. He hails from Nigeria. The general overseer of Lord's Chosen Charismatic Revival Movement has a net worth of $48.5 million. Number 19 is Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo from Nigeria. He is the senior pastor of Kingsway International Christian Center, KICC, in London. His net worth is $50 million.
$50 million. Hey, Nigeria, my country. When do we want to be wise? Ìgbà wo la fẹ́ gbọ́n? Ìgbà wo ni wọ́n tó máa mú wa lọ́gọ̀? Nigeria pastor worshippers. Nigerians are like worshiping their pastors. I hope you are listening. I hope you are listening. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kọ̀ láti máa jà, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣàfẹ́ jà. I don't know. Mi mọ̀ bí poverty kan ṣe máa ń wú yàn láti kàn ṣáà wà kó ṣáà jẹ́ kó kí poverty ṣáà máa wù ẹ́ kó lọ máa enrich another person. All in the name of pastor in the Lord. Our daddy in the Lord. Pastor in the Lord. They will keep on telling you, pay tithe, pay tithe, pay tithe. At the end of the day, they are getting richer. You are getting what? Poorer.
At number 18 is Pastor Chris Okotie of Nigeria, the founder of Household of God International Ministries. His net worth is $52 million. Number 17 is Roberta Lee Houston of South Africa. She is the spouse of Brian Houston. The two founded the Hillsong Church and worth $55 million. At number 16, we have Apostle Johnson Suleiman of Nigeria. He is the senior pastor of Omega Fire Ministries International. His net worth is $58 million.
$58 million. Dollars ni kì í ṣe náírà o, dollars ni o.
Adeyemi is number 15 on the list. Founder of Daystar Christian Center in Nigeria, has a net worth of $60 million. Counting down to 14 is the founder of the World of Life Bible Church in Nigeria, Bishop Ayo Oritsejafor. His net worth is $65 million. Number 13 on the list is Pastor Paul Enenche from Nigeria, also pastor of Dunamis International Gospel Center, DIGC, has a net worth of $66.5 million. Adam Johannes Jacobus Boshoff of South Africa takes our 12th spot today. He is a senior pastor at Christian Revival Church with a net worth of $67 million. At number 11 is late Pastor T.B. Joshua of Nigeria. He was the founder of the Synagogue Church of All Nations. His net worth is $68 million. At number 10 on the list is Pastor Ray Macaulay. He hails from South Africa and is a senior pastor at Rema Bible Church. His net worth is $70 million. At number 9 is televangelist David Ibiyeomi from Nigeria. He is the founder of the Salvation Ministries with a net worth of $70 million.
$70 million. That is the same daddy in the Lord. Can you see his net worth? Can you see? Oh yeah, can provide the ọmọ ìjọ tó ń san tithe lójú méjèèjì tó ní àdúrà owó tán ní. Please tell your pastors, can provide the ọmọ ìjọ tó ní àdúrà owó tán ní tó ń san tithe 247 ní gbogbo ìgbà. Can provide the iye wọn tó ní àdúrà owó tán ní. Ọjọ́ wo la tó fẹ́ gbọ́n Naija?
Moving to number 8 is Shifiwa Irene of South Africa. Founder of Divine Truth World Restoration Service, has a net worth of $70 million. At number 7 on the list is Paul Adefarasinas from House on the Rock in Nigeria. His net worth is $70 million. Occupying our number 6 spot is Prophet Wibert Angel of South Africa. The founder of Good News Church is said to worth around $74 million. Pastor Chris Oyakalomi of Nigeria is number 5 on the list. The president of Love World and Christ Embassy has a net worth of $80 million. Counting down to number 4 is Pastor Enoch Adeboye. The leader of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG in Nigeria, has an estimated worth of $90 million.
Redeemed people, hello, how are you? Please go and convert this one to naira. $90 million in naira. Èló ló máa jẹ́ tẹ́ bá ṣe sí naira. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ redeem. Èló ni $90 million naira máa jẹ́ tẹ́ bá ṣe sí naira. $90 million rather. Èló ni $90 million máa jẹ́ tẹ́ bá ṣe sí naira. Àwọn ọmọ daddy in the Lord. Oh my goodness.
At number 3 is Prophet Shepherd Bushiri. He hails from Malawi and is the founder of Enlightened Christian Gathering. His net worth is $95 million. Number 2 on the list is Bishop David Oyedepo of Nigeria, the founder of the Living Faith Church worldwide and presiding bishop of the Faith Tabernacle. His net worth is $250 million. And occupying our number 1 position is Alf
$250
Lukau.
million. Dr. David Oyedepo, Daddy Tuale. Hey, mo tún respect ẹ̀yin o, $250 million. Èló ló máa jẹ́ tá bá ṣe sí náírà, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. This same country tẹ́bi ń lu ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn pa. This same country everybody ń pariwo kò sówó. Ọjọ́ wo la tó fẹ́ gbọ́n? Ọjọ́ wo gọ́gọ́gọ́gọ́ la tó fẹ́ gbọ́n? Ọjọ́ wo la tó fẹ́ jára wa, ẹ̀yin èèyàn? Ṣé ti rí ara reason tán people ṣe hate Pastor Abel Damina? These are the reason tán ṣe hate wọn lélẹ̀ because man yẹn ń já everybody, ó ń já everybody sí wípé these tight pastors are just using you to make money. But many people did not want to listen. Many people believe, irọ́ ni tí Pastor Damina ti pọ̀jù. Can you see the reason? I wonder when we want to gbọ́n. I wonder when we want to já. Anyway, ẹ̀yin wa as usual, ẹ jẹ́ ká tó lọ ká comment kan sí méjì ká tó máa lọ. One commenter, only very nice to see such money groony rich pastors call themselves prophets. What does the Bible tell us about that riches of man? Exactly, they won't preach that to themselves. They will only preach it to you or my job because they have something to collect from you. They will not see it as pé àwọn náà kò yẹ káwọn náà máa kó ọ̀rọ̀ jẹ, but ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìjọ lè gbọ́dọ̀ kó ọ̀rọ̀ jọ so that ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n á máa pọ̀ sí. Anyway, ẹni tó gbọ́n mọ̀ pòǹgbọ́n, ẹni tó gọ̀ ni kó kíyèsára. Another commenter at Pure Breed, only very most likely people's tithes and offerings contributed to their treasures. Exactly, before nǹkan bona ti fẹ́ rádúró owó yìí. Níbo náà ti fẹ́ kádúró owó ìjọ tí ìbá ṣe from your tithes and offerings. It is well. Another commenter at Relaxing, only that is why they are making it business, not being the men of God. Yes, all of them are businessman. Gbogbo àwọn pastors yẹn má parọ́ tanra yín. With these riches, nobody can tell me anything. They are doing business with you people. We don't know. Either you take it or you leave it. Another commenter, Ononi, please tell us about their source of wealth. Truth be told, it's all poor people's money. Before nǹkan ẹni tó gbọ́mọ̀ pòǹgbọ́n ẹni tó gọ̀ báyìí ò ní kó kíyèsára. Yẹ̀yẹ́ wa kí ló opinion ti yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀? Ẹ má bá mi jù sí comment, ẹ má gbàgbé, ẹ má bá mi follow Digi Naija online TV backup page lórí ayélujára Facebook. Link tó máa gbé yín débẹ̀ wà lábẹ́ fídíò yìí. Ẹ̀yẹn kan click lé lórí ó máa gbé yín tààrà lọ sórí Facebook page wa. From there, ẹ máa gbádùn àwọn ètò wa lọ́lọ́kọ̀ ọ̀jọ̀kan tá bá ṣe ń gbé wá fún yín. Títí nígbà míì tá a sì jọ máa pàdé, ó dàbọ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jára yín o. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán lọ máa da owó yín papọ̀ mọ́ owó $1 million. Ẹ má lọ máa fi ṣíbí pọ̀n mi sókun. Ẹ jára yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ má lọ máa fi ṣíbí pọ̀n mi sókun because all those sit and offering tẹ́ ń kó lọ every Sunday or every month, whatever. Ẹ kàn fi ṣíbí pọ̀n mi sókun ni o. Mo kàn ní kí n sọ tèmi fún yín ni. Títí nígbà míì tá a tún máa pàdé, ó dàbọ̀.